Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna keep it kind of short. You can see we got the frame up in the air. Probably gonna get this painted, this under here, and then some of these lower braces down here kind of painted, probably that transmission point, I hope. Won't be doing much grinding today. Mainly just knocking the surface rust off and throwing some paint up. Enough talking. Well, I hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving. I know I ate way too much. Continually over the last 3 days, so I am overly stuffed. But we're gonna jump back on this, and if we get to a point where I'm stuck, then we may switch to the Bronco. We got some more we can do on it, but for right now, let's get this sand down and painted. Let's get to work. I took it off pretty good. Let's point out I have a bolt in here that's has a washer around it, so this shouldn't break. If it does, it's my own stupidity, so don't try this at home. But that's I think it's a grade 8 bolt, so I'm pretty confident it'll hold this up. Anyways, probably gonna concentrate on this side tonight, at least right here. And I'm going to come over on this side and get these braces down here in the back side of these plates. I don't know what you call them, mounting points. And I didn't realize that well, I'm waiting for this to be welded, so we got some tape and you still need to get off. Come on this side, do that on this side a little bit. And I think this right here and here will be ready, and then we're gonna come jump back over here, get this and these braces here, and work our way down. There's a couple spots that's gonna require some grinding, but I'm probably gonna do that when we flip it, and we'll raise the back end up like this, and we'll get from this middle brace here back, which shouldn't be very much. The main part is this through here, and of course waiting on this. I mean, it feels like it's in there, but there's it's welded here and up top and down the side. I don't know. I just don't like it not being welded here. So, anyways, let's do just a tad bit more grinding, and then we'll clean it down and throw some paint on it. All right, let me wipe this down right quick, and then I'll give you a look at what it turned out like. I think it'll be pretty nice, but let's get all this rust dust knocked down, and then I'll kind of show you what we'll be painting tonight. I think I need one more spot right back here, but we'll get that and I'll wipe it down and I'll show you what it all turned out like. All right, we got it cleaned. Let me bring it up here and we'll kind of look at what we're going to paint tonight. And we got this bottom rail. I think it looks pretty good. Got all the surface rust. Mainly all that rust done. I did touch this, but it doesn't seem to come off my hand, so probably just to go over that again. And then we're going to paint up to here and come back down inside here, underneath here, here, and this one, and from here back inside here, and this whole area here, under here, to about right here. And I think if I'm the paint to do that, we'll be lucky. But I'm gonna set you back, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some paint down and seeing how it turns out. Alright, we got what I want done. We have runs, but hopefully it won't be so noticeable, but stick up here and I'll show you what we done. Alright, we got this painted. Looks pretty good. That run was from last time. You can see it, that light. I got a little run here, but this came out quite nice, I think. Inside here looks pretty good. It's almost professional. And then you can tell we got big runs here when I went on top. First way to do that when it's lowered, but oh well. We got these braces painted through here and right in here, so I'm going to wrap the chain on this side to get this side done. It looks bad, but I mean, it's on there, so I think it'll work. And then paint made it look better, but you can still looks odd in this area. But I think it'll turn out pretty good. Let me lower it right quick. Might be better lighting. See stuff a lot better. Alright, we are slowly getting there. I think this side's done. So we need to weld this up here. I don't know how far that heat's going to travel, and that usually burns the paint. And need to give this another coat. I really want to finish all that out. Let me know if this is welded good enough, you think. It's welded here on top, side, and the bottom. Like it don't feel like it's going to flex, but this whole side here is not welded. And I didn't know if you don't have any experience with that. Let me know if y'all welded up or not. But definitely made some progress. I think it's starting to look good. I need to go over these again with some paint. But I'm digging it. Can't wait to clean these off and get those painted like a matte black. And all this up here painted a matte black. I'm gonna, excuse me, take this all apart, pop these pins out, and take this shackle off here. I think that unscrews. Maybe. We'll see. Take this off. Sand these down completely. And paint those a matte black. And take this apart. I'm going to take the wheels off. And get all this painted a matte black. And let's clean those off and repaint those. Probably get new shocks. And then we'll be good to go, I think. Maybe. Do need to get these welded up, push back in the right position and welded. There's Fat Boy. But I think we're moving pretty good. We can get some things welded up. I think we'll start running brake lines using the brake or the little pipe bender and coming down this side of the frame rail and getting that situated. I'm going to buy a tank sealer kit for that gas tank. We'll do that one day and get that all sealed up, and that will be ready, and we can go ahead and scrape all this. I guess it's insulation off. With a wire wheel will take that off. Get all that taken off and painted. Then we can mount it back up and find out where we run our fuel line. On this, probably on the other side. But it's starting to come together. I'm liking it. Well, if you made this far, thank you for watching. I think we're going to take the kiddos to see some lights here in a little bit, so I didn't want to be out here too long tonight. But I think hopefully by spring we'll be putting everything back together. There could be a chance that I'm going to hear a lot more often in the near future, but we'll talk about that if something happens. But for the most part, we'll be back on this next time. We may end up going to the back end, lifting it up, and getting the rails coming back this way. There's a few spots that needs some grind work done, just like finishing up. But battery died. It's kind of odd. Had full battery. But we'll be back on this next time. Hopefully get some more paint down, and then we can start with other stuff. But if you made it this far, thank you for the support. Thank you for watching all the way through. It does help the channel out a lot. If you're new to the channel, this kind of project we got going on right now, and we'll get back to the Bronco hopefully next year after the rat rod's done. But I kind of want to get the rat rod done and enjoy it, and have something to have fun with while the work on the Bronco's being done. But anyways, if you're new, thank you. I think we're at 9:13. Let's see, Fat Boy's coming in here. Yeah, everybody can hear you. But we're getting close to 1,000. Once we hit 1,000, I think we'll do another giveaway. And I do got the last giveaway in a box. Be going out to you this week. You know who you are. I'll just put some stickers in there, and I'll show you the hat right now. I'm actually gonna order myself one, but this is going out hopefully next day or two with some stickers. I hope you enjoy it. Anyways, the cat's rubbing all over me. So say thank you again, and hope you'll have a good week, and I'll see you next Monday.